Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the default language in Prime Video. First, let's tackle changing the app's interface language. Open the Prime Video app on your mobile device. Navigate to My Stuff and then tap the gear icon to access settings. From there, select Language and choose your desired language from the list. Confirm your selection and the app will refresh, displaying everything in your newly chosen language. Now, if you're using Prime Video through a web browser, the process is slightly different. Open your web browser and go to Prime Video. com/settings/. You might need to log into your Amazon account. Once there, locate and select the Language tab. You'll see a list of available languages. Pick your preferred one and click Save to apply the changes to your web interface. What if you're already watching something and want to change the audio or subtitle language? Simply start playing your chosen video. During playback, look for the subtitles and audio icon, often represented by a speech bubble. Tap or click this icon, and you'll see options to select your preferred audio and subtitle languages. The video will then instantly switch to your chosen settings. To set a default streaming language for your profile, go to the Account and Settings page on the Prime Video website. Within the Language tab, you'll find an option for streaming language. Select Custom and then choose your desired language from the extensive list of over 35 options. Remember to click Save to ensure your new default streaming language is applied for future viewing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.